Tired of typing the same eBay search over and over? Save it once and get instant access forever. Here is how to save any search in under 30 seconds. Just follow these simple steps. So start by searching for exactly what you want. This part is pretty straightforward, but here is why it matters. The more specific you are right now, the more useful this saved search will be later. You're not just saving a keyword, you are saving a set of criteria that eBay will remember for you. So go ahead and type in that item you are always hunting for. Maybe it is a vintage camera or a specific pair of sneakers. Whatever it is, type it into the search bar and hit enter. Now, here is where things get really good. Once your results pop up, you will want to narrow things down with filters. This is the step that most people skip, and it makes a huge difference. Click on any filter that matters to you. Maybe you only want items under a certain price. Maybe you want only brand new condition items. Or maybe you only want auctions that end soon. Click those options. Select the size, the color, the brand, whatever makes sense for your hunt. And here is the magic. eBay remembers all of these filters when you save the search. So if you always want to see only buy it now listings under $50 with free shipping, set that up right now. Spend that extra 15 seconds dialing this in. It will save you so much time later. Once you have your search looking the way you want, look for the Save button. On most eBay pages, you will find it right above your search results. It usually says, Save this search. It might be a small link or a button depending on your screen size. Just click it. That is all you need to do. eBay will do the rest. Now, you might get a pop-up asking you to sign in. If you are already logged in, this step will not even show up. But if it does, just enter your email and password like normal. This is eBay, making sure the search is tied to your account, so you can access it from any device. And honestly, that is part of what makes this feature so powerful. You save it once on your computer, and then you can pull it up on your phone later while you are waiting in line or on your lunch break. And that is it. Your search is now saved. You will see a little confirmation letting you know it worked. From now on, instead of typing that whole string of keywords and clicking through all those filters every single time, you just go to your saved searches and click it once. It is like having a personal assistant that remembers exactly what you were looking for. So give this a try on your next eBay hunt. Happy hunting!